This machine is the heart of a modern ceramic roof tile production line. After the clay has been prepared and formed into blanks, it enters the press for its most important transformation. At the center of the machine is a powerful two-stage cam-driven pressing mechanism capable of generating forces of up to 330 tons. As the camshaft rotates, the molds close with precise timing and immense pressure, shaping the clay into high-quality roof tiles. Unlike conventional hydraulic systems, the mechanical cam design provides exceptional reliability, stable pressing force, and reduced maintenance requirements. A large hexagonal drum allows multiple molds to operate simultaneously, significantly increasing production capacity. With production rates reaching up to 90 tiles per minute, the machine delivers both speed and consistency. Every movement is carefully synchronized, from feeding and positioning to pressing and tile discharge. The result is a durable, accurately shaped ceramic tile ready for drying and firing. Combining robust construction, precision engineering, and high productivity, this press plays a critical role in modern ceramic tile manufacturing. From raw clay to finished roof tile, powered by precision mechanical engineering.